Hey, it's John from Salt, Pepper, and Fire, and tonight we are going to review. Oh, try that again. We are going to review 306 Rub. Stick around. So we are making some chicken in the air fryer tonight, and I picked up this 306 Rub yesterday to give it a try. We have the restaurant in our area. Actually, we have two of them, and the restaurant seems pretty good. So I wanted to give the sauce or the rub a try at home and see how it does. So we are going to put this on our chicken, throw it in the air fryer, and see how it tastes. So here's our Ninja air fryer, and if you guys don't have one of these things, you should definitely get one. It is a game changer, it's life-saving, and it is time efficient. Maybe I'll have to do a review on one of those one day. But yeah, we're gonna throw this chicken in there. We season it with the 306 rub, and hopefully it turns out well. So we're gonna let this go. I think it takes about 10-15 minutes to cook. And after that, we'll show you what it looks like. Small riddle for you while we wait. If you're in a race and you're in third place and you pass the person in second place, what place are you in? Comment below and give me the answer. So this is the finished result. And I think that looks pretty good. What about you? Now, if you'll pardon me, I'm going to go partake of this. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. See ya. So after using this rub, I will say that it is very good, and I will be using it again, and I would recommend it to you guys to try.